Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best IKEA standing desks that are available on the market. Actually, I try to make popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinion and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget subscribe this channel for view future videos. Let's start this videos. Starting at number 5, we have Gazebo Standing Desk. The Gazebo Standing Desk is a classic and elegant standing desk with an ergonomic design. It will, therefore, offer different working and comfortable positions to keep you at your best while at the office. You can choose to work while seated or standing on this desk. Apart from this, the desk is also very sturdy due to the solid structure which easily holds more weight of up to 28.6 pounds. It also has strong metal frames, which also keeps it very sturdy and strong. The standing desk easily adjusts from a sitting to a standing position. This is because it features the gas spring hovering system for easy adjustment. Other than this, it also provides a more spacious work area. This will allows you to get everything in place and maximize the output. With the lower keyboard tray, it is always comfortable and appropriate for all users. Moving on at number 4, we have Devez Adjustable Height Standing Desk. A perfect standing desk needs to hold more weight for better service. With this quality standing desk, you can use it for different activities since it can hold up to 100 pounds. Due to this, it is a reliable and convenient table you can rely on for top-notch service. Besides this, it also has an ergonomic design, which will make every user comfortable. The adjustable height makes it great for different users irrespective of the heights. Other than this, it also allows for working while standing or sitting. You can easily adjust the height from about 29 inches to 45 inches using the crank handle. It is, therefore, a versatile and convenient table that you never want to miss. At number 3, we have SOMO Height Adjustable IKEA Standing Desk. To comfortable work in either standing or sitting position, you need the best standing desk that allows for adjustment. This is a fully adjustable desk that you can move up to 16.5 inches above the regular work desk. Apart from this, the desk is also stable, hence will easily support up to 60 pounds. Secondly, the standing desk features in different finishes, which makes it perfect for the users to get their favorite picks. In addition to this, it also has a large and spacious working area that allows for better work organization. It has been built using a combination of quality wood material and steel frames, hence serves for the longest time possible. The desk has a removable tray for the keyboard. At number 2, we have VariDesk Height Adjustable IKEA Standing Desk. With up to 11 different positions of height adjustment, this is a perfect standing desk that will serve you perfectly. You can easily adjust the desk to fit the working position whether sitting or standing. It is also a very sturdy desk that will stay firm whenever sliding off the floor when standing. The desk can support up to 35 pounds of weight and, therefore, appropriate for every user. In addition to this, it also converts from standing to sitting position in 3 seconds. This is relatively faster without losing your concentration. It has the keyboard and mouse tray, which will keep you more comfortable when working. It has a 2-tier design that provides the upper display surface of the monitor. And finally at number 1, GPAC Pro Desktop IKEA Standing Desk. When you need to easily change from the sitting to standing working position, this is the perfect standing desk for you. The quality standing desk features the stand-up converter, which makes it great for daily use. The standing desk is also fully adjustable. This implies that you can easily adjust the desk to suit your working position. Other than this, it also has a keyboard tray, which makes you work comfortably. Due to the strong and sturdy construction, this is one quality desk that will assure you of long-term service. It has a quality metal frame plus a large workstation. With this, you will perfectly organize the desk for a better working condition. Despite being the best standing desk, it is pocket-friendly, hence a great choice for all users. Thank you for watching guys, I hope you like this video. If this video helped for you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related this product, you can leave a comment down below, I hope back to you as soon as possible.